I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Nope, just you.
So I guess we'll share?
Reddit.
All mine then. Wow. So, okay. I'll see you, tomorrow.
Ooh, love on the battlefield.
She could do better.
Let me... Why don't you...
Hiccup? Are you in there?
Astrid, hey. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid. Hi, Astrid.
I normally don't care what people do, but you're acting weird.
Oh.
Well, weirder.
What the... what are you doing here?
I want to know what's going on. No one just gets as good as you do. Especially you. Are you training with someone?
Training? I didn't...
It better not involve this.
I know, this looks really bad, but you see, this is, you're right. Yeah, I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back, go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that? What's wrong with you? Bad dragon! He's not usually like this. Oh, no.
Okay. Then what do we do?
Just give me until tomorrow. I'll figure something out.
Okay. That's for kidnapping me. That's for everything else. No way! You built him a new tail? So he's gonna be able to fly without you. Mm-hmm. What if he never comes back? What am I saying? Of course he will. Mm-hmm. Well, I'm gonna go spread some more holiday cheer. You're amazing!
Astrid?
Over here. Hiccup, I'm freezing.
Come here. Where are the dragons? Toothless?
Stormfly?
Look what they did.
They saved our lives.
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Ow! Hey, where are you guys staying tonight?
I figured Stormfly and I would just bed down here.
Aha! What a coincidence. I'm sleeping here too.
Why? You have a warm bed and a house.
Yeah, but the way my dad snores, he's sawing logs, you know. Toothless and I wouldn't get a wink.
Yeah.
Just... Astrid, hey. So, what brings you here so early in the morning? With Toothless, though, of course, because Stormfly, that would be, you know...
I don't believe this.
Hiccup! You're alive! Wait, you're alive?
What's going on here? Dagger says you're buddies now and you're teaching him to ride a dragon?
Yeah, it's a funny story, actually. Astrid! Oh! Are you okay?
I'm fine. We should probably get going.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna get going.
Sadly, we too have gone soft over the years. Losing the club has made the retrieval of the bride much more of a struggle.
Oh, hey, fish legs. This is more your area of expertise. Why don't you take it? Can't wait to hear what you guys decide. Oh, no. Oh, stop. What?
What are we waiting for? Let's go rescue that death song.
Okay, but this time, Astrid, obviously, Garf has to stay behind. We can't risk giving Krogan another death song, right? Astrid, he's not trained. He won't be lonely. Fishlegs and Meatlug will be here, taking care of the Singe Tail, so...
Time to stop worrying about problems out there and start sorting out the ones right here.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Hang up those saddles and get married.
The M word.
Gross. Really, like a proper royal couple. Marian, please. You're the only one with any sense around here. With you wearing the pants, there's still hope.
Wow! Not awkward at all.
Astrid, don't be like that.
Whoa, that is a definitive no.
Oh, So this is where you come to get away from Gobber.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Well, he's right, you know.
Really? You think you and I should...
Oh, gods no. We're nowhere near ready for that.
No, that's crazy.
I mean, he's right about all of this.
What's gotten into you? What is all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say?
Newborn lamb.
I do not run like that. Do I run like that? Which brings me to a bigger point. I read the script, Gobber, and I have some notes. I'm not sure the character of Hiccup is coming through, quite as heroic as I was. But that's not in any way me.
Hey, Hiccup, I was... Oh.
Are you serious?
Going through.
The day called back, you can't